waving.
We're in Nebraska. Hang on. We are roughing it. We're heading into Smith Falls State Park, outside of Valentine, Nebraska. Woo, the washboarding road has about killed us. But check out what's in front of us now. Scenic Smith Falls State Park is home to Nebraska's highest waterfall, also called Smith Falls. The state park is a popular destination for campers, canoers, kayakers, and tubers, others who visit the area to experience the beautiful Nebraska River, a national scenic river. Smith Falls is named for Frederick Smith, who filed the first homestead patent on land that encompassed the falls. The site became a state park in 1992. Not only is the land home to the beautiful falls, it's also an area of biological significance where several Ice Age species can still be found. All right. Public water, private land, so we must be crossing the Nebraska River again. All right, little detour. Dave says there's some kind of a bridge down here he wants to see. It is beautiful down here, though. I'm going to turn this off and take some pictures of that bluff.
On top of it.
Aw, check out this bridge. The Canton Bridge Company.
Yep.
Canton, Ohio. 1903. As we approached the entrance to Smith Falls State Park, Dave found out that the bridge was called Bell Bridge. So now we can move on, and we're heading down to the falls. Perhaps the biggest draw of Smith Falls State Park is, of course, the famous falls. At 70 feet, these falls are the highest waterfall in Nebraska. From the north side of the park, cross the footbridge that spans the Nebraska River, and then travel to the boardwalk to the falls. Remember, hiking to the falls is limited to established trails to prevent erosion and protect the rare plants. As you arrive, the park office is located here at the right. Parking lot is down, and it'll be about half a mile to walk to the falls from this parking lot. And if you go straight down is where the campground is located, and we'll be going down there in a little bit to give you a tour of the campground. We decided to just circle on around through the park office. We're going to hike into the falls from the campground area down here. So as we are coming down this hill, look out, little squirrel. The Nebraska River access is right in front of us. The campground starts right here at number 46. You can see there are poles with the numbers, picnic tables, fire rings, and they have little posts that they're using to separate the campsites. To our right was a vault toilet. Up in the woods is a shelter. There's a birthday party going on up there. You can see some of these sites have some trees for shade. For the most part, it's a pretty open area. The Nebraska River is here on our left. These campsites can be reserved through Nebraska State Parks Reservation Center. Shower house was right there. It's going to be on the right. We're going to go up later and take a shower. I believe it's 75 cents for 4 minutes. There are some people camping throughout the park. We're going to go on down here to the end, and we're going to park the Jeep, and then we're just going to hike into the waterfall from down here. You can see there's plenty of picnic tables for people if you want to have your lunch here like that fine family is doing. They even have walk-in tent sites over here. Mm-hmm. There's a cabin up in there. Wait a minute. A Ralph. Oh, it's a scout shelter. In case you get a storm, got to put your tent under there. And we're about ready to walk across a bridge. Vertiger Bridge. The Koranskis of Smith Falls. They came here in 1941, raised 4 children. The Nebraska Game and Fish and Wildlife leases this from the family. The father's wish was that Smith Falls would be open to everyone forever to come and see. Fred Koransky Memorial Walkway. All right, Dave got some info. He said the original homesteader's cabin is on the other side of that little creaky water that I was taking pictures of.
Yep.
And he said the shower house is up here somewhere. And he said he does not think that there's any electric spots in here at all.
Family leased this to the Fish and Game for family public use, play in the river and stuff, because it's in the National Riverway, but it's just basic primitive camping.
Woo! You just caught us. Got a shower. You know what I think, Dave? I think showers are overrated. No, sorry, said it wrong. Underrated. I can go maybe 2 days, 3 maybe, depends on how hot and sweaty I get. We haven't had a shower for 2 days.
Well, we use baby wipes and water. We bring water with us.
All right, so this is a sweet little state park. Waterfall is amazing. Dave hasn't seen it yet. He's gonna have to see my videos and pictures. The dog got overheated because it's 90 here now.
Had to stay with him at the floating river.
Yeah, so he's in the Jeep with the air conditioner on. All right, so check out our playlist of everything else we got in the area. This is Smith Falls State Park, highest waterfall in Nebraska.
Yep.
Anything else you want to add, Dave?
We talked about the family that donated this land to the Fish and Game for plus it's a scenic riverway.
Yeah.
And then just on the west side of it is that Buffalo Fort. I forgot the name of it. Fort. What was the name of that fort?
Fort Niagara.
Yeah, Fort Niagara.
That's the wildlife refuge.
It had 19,000 acres.
Yep. All right, we're gonna put an end to this video then if there's nothing else.
Nothing I can think of.
All right, America's beautiful. Get out and see it.
Like, subscribe if you want to.
We'll see you on the road.